Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm giving you a small tutorial on how to use and manage your bonus balance on AliExpress. So guys, as you can see, I'm now in the home page. If you want to find your bonuses, you click on your account right here, and as you can see, this little panel that I'm scrolling right now, next to payments we have bonus on the middle of the screen almost. You click on that and we will be taken to our bonus. And as you can see, we have the little explanation. So bonus consists of reward amounts provided to AliExpress buyers. You can use your bonus balance to pay partially or in full for orders on AliExpress. So basically, this gives you another method of getting discounts on AliExpress. So on top of already some very cool discounts on this service, they are famous for it. You can also use your bonus balance if you have it to reduce the price when you check out, for example, reduce the price for a certain item that you purchase in here, or if for example, if your balance is big enough and the price is not that big, you can actually use your entire balance to completely cover the cost for a certain product and completely just get it for free pretty much. So effectively for free. So this is how you do it. And to use it, you just go ahead and, for example, choose some kind of product, add it to cart, check it out. And then here guys, you can use your bonus. In my case, I don't have any, but if you do, you can pretty much apply it in here, check out, and then get reduced prices. Enjoy guys. Hopefully this helps you. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe.